Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a step-by-step guide on how to create a Facebook page. So if you want to do that, you must have an existing Facebook account. So let's get straight to the tutorial. You click on your Facebook mobile app.
Hello, beloved friends in Christ.
So now once you click on your profile icon, you click on see more. You now scroll down to pages. You click on pages. So now once you click on pages, you see the list of all the pages that your account is managing. So if you want to create a new page, you click on create. So right now, if it is a personal page, if it is a public page, you go with the one you wish to create. So right now we're creating a personal page right now. So for the public page, it has to do with for business, for content creators or organization. So now let me create a business page, a public page. So now you click on public and you click on next. So right now you enter the page name. So right now, if you enter your page name this way, you proceed and click on next. At this point, you now select the category. Select electronics for the sake of this tutorial. You select music and band. You now click on create. So now once you click on create, you will now say you have created a page. What best describe your goal? So if you're going to create content on that page, you click on create content and connect with fans. You now proceed, you click on continue. So right now, if you want to add your bio, which is about your page right now, you proceed and you add your bio. So right now you proceed. If you have a website, if you don't have, you can neglect all of that for now, and then you now choose the hours. If you are always open, you go with always open. At this point, you now click on next. So right now, the last step so far is to now insert your profile image and your Facebook page banner. So now let's click at the drop down. You now select your profile image. You now click at this point, you now select your banner, the one I've created. So now if you are through with that, you now click on next. And then if you don't want to invite friends, you proceed and click on next. And you now click on done. So right now, you now switch from your personal account to your page right now. So far, this is the page we just created. So if you want to start it all, you click on that. But if you don't want to, you can now continue with the remaining settings and start posting on this platform. So if this tutorial is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.